The Autism Drive is a website that stores a statewide autism resources directory, an autism research registry, and educational webinars on autism. To access the Autism Drive, go to autismdrive.virginia.edu. From the homepage, you will see a menu of different options available. To find the statewide resources directory, click Find Resources. The resources directory includes location-based services such as therapy offices, online information such as informational handouts about sleep issues, and upcoming event and training details such as dates for support group and social meetings. To find location-based resources, you can search by entering a zip code or typing into the text bar, or filtering through topics using our filtering system. To search by location, click on the Your Current Location button or Location button and enter your zip code. You can also enable the directory to search by your location if geolocating is enabled in your browser. Let's say you want to find diagnostic providers for school-aged children in the Wytheville, Virginia area. Enter the zip code for that area. And you will now see that all of the resources on the left-hand side have resorted themselves based on their distance from that zip code. Because I'm looking for diagnostic providers, I'm next going to click on the search bar and start typing in diagnostic providers. You can see suggested search terms appear in a drop-down menu. You can keep typing, but we recommend you click one of the suggested terms as this is a category of resources that already exists within the system. Next, you can then narrow down results based on age range and language if applicable. Once you have a complete search, results will be shown in a list on the left side of the page. You can resort those resources based on distance from the zip code, relevance to your search, or how recently their information was updated in the system. To learn more about a specific resource, click on the resource name. The resource details page will include a brief description about it, contact information for that resource, and a URL or link that goes directly to the resource itself. You can then find related resources on the right side of the page that is similar to what you have just looked at. To go back to your original search results, click the back button in your browser. If you are creating a list of resources you want to share with someone, such as a client or a patient, once you have finished narrowing down your search, you can copy and paste the URL and send it in an email or text message. Finally, if you want to save resources to your own account, you will need to create an account. If this is your first time visiting the Autism Drive, click the Join Us button. You can create an account by entering an email address and a password. Once you create an account, you can create a profile for yourself, one of your children, or a patient or client if you are a service provider. Here I'm going to sign created an account and a profile for myself and my various dependents. If I were to now go back and complete a search, you would see, or I see, that there's a star next to each little resource icon shown. So let's say I found a diagnostic provider that I'm particularly interested in, and I want to save it for later. By clicking the star, this resource will now be saved under my profile on the My Resources tab. So you can come back and look at it at any time. Joining us also allows you to join a statewide autism research registry. This means that you can be connected with announcements about studies that would be relevant to you or someone you know that you would have the choice to participate in if you are interested in. Study participation oftentimes offers benefits such as receiving free access to assessment, care, or financial reimbursement for your time. The Autism Drive Research Registry is recruiting children, adults, families, and professionals who are connected to autism. If you have any questions about the Autism Drive Resources Directory or Research Registry, feel free to contact us at autismdrive@virginia.edu. If you are a service provider and do not find details about your resource on the resources page, go to the bottom of the resources page and click the Can't Find Your Resource on Drive link. This will take you to a brief survey through which you can provide information to us about your resource, and we will do the best we can to update the website with your resource details as soon as possible.